crazy seeing that thing in a Supra, a Mark 5 Supra. It's sick because there's two Supras here. 2JZ, 2JZ. Bucket seats, Kevlar, I think, carbon Kevlar, I don't know. Roll cage. This shit has everything. And it's stick shift. Probably one of the first stick shifts. Mark 5. This shit is crazy, guys. Look at this. Stick shift, crazy ass dash, steering wheel, bucket seats. This shit is crazy. This is actually Mark's, if you guys remember his Lambo. And his NSX that I drove. I told you guys, all his builds, they're all Nardo Gray or Grigio. And they're all crazy.
Is the owner here?
You guys heard this one in the last vlog. This thing is sick too. It's so freaking clean. All the Supras. I need one so bad. Look how clean it is too, like the dash. So nice. Damn, GTR's looking good. The lip's not broken yet? Not yet. What's up, guys? We just made it here to phone 2. Just came to stop by, honestly. Oh, we got the window fixed. Actually, that's what we came here for. I didn't film it, but Sam actually did get the window to work. Sam ended up using some of the like internals from the Amazon one and putting it into the original Nissan one. I don't know what he did, but he made it work. I told you guys Sam would actually be able to pull it off. I don't know what he did, but it works, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, I just stopped by, fixed the window. The window's fixed, which is good. Don't have to worry about the stupid window issue. I was so annoyed because I literally could not drive the car, guys. I couldn't park it anywhere, nothing like that, because the window just stayed down. Sam figures the stuff out. I don't know how Sam figures it out, but just like he figured out putting a 2JZ in a Mark 5 Supra. This is Sam's E30. I don't think you guys have seen this in a while. He got new wheels. Same wheels that were on my E36. These wheels look so sick. These are my favorite wheels on like old school BMWs. A little sleeper. Not really a sleeper because everyone knows how fast this thing is now. Bro, that thing's gonna be crazy. They're barely like putting the tune on it and all that stuff. They still need to take it to the dyno and get it like fine-tuned, but dude, it already sounds insane. I can't wait to see it fully tuned. All right, guys, since I have no other plans, I might go up to Azusa Canyon by myself right now. Do a little canyon run by myself since no one else is down. I was actually supposed to go to Vegas this weekend. You guys will probably see Kevin's vlog about it, but the homie Kevin with the Lime Rock went to Vegas with a bunch of other homies. My homie Sammy with the GTR. A lot of people actually went. It was for an event called Eurofest. You guys might remember that vlog from a long time ago. Any OG people that watch the vlogs, you guys probably remember that day. But it's like a huge caravan to Vegas. Unfortunately, I didn't go. I was just super lazy. But anyways, that's where all the homies went this weekend. So that's why I'm kind of by myself. I might do a little canyon run alone. Is that rust? 1v1? That shit looks like rust, bro, from Modern Warfare. This car never gets old, guys. It's so fast. It's not even that fast. Like, there's way faster GTRs out there. I can't even imagine how those feel. I do want to make this one faster though. But when you don't drive it for a while and you get back into it, it feels super fast. And I haven't really driven it that much. Alright guys, so we made it to Azusa Canyon. I'm about to take it slow because I don't want to mess up my lip and hit like a random rock on the floor. It's happened before in my E92. There's just a big ass boulder in the middle of the street and I can't get out the way fast enough. So hopefully we come out here with a perfectly good lip. If you guys haven't watched my last video, we put a new lip on the GTR. $1,500 front lip. So if I break it, it's gonna be a very sad day. But yeah, it's a pretty nice day. Super nice day. Too bad I'm all alone, but I'm sure we'll find some cool car guys up here. I always run into cool cars up here. Last time I ran into that R34, if you guys remember that. That was insane. Oh no. Not this slow. Hopefully we can make it up there before like the sunset and take some cool pictures of the GTR. Even though it's super dirty. Tomorrow I might wash it all and get it all detailed. you, thank you. Warm up the tires a little bit. If you guys do remember too, this car's on slicks. Well, like drag radials. So it's probably not the best for like a canyon. We need some like Michelins or some shit up here. But we're gonna deal with what we have. Drag racing tires in the canyon. I feel like you can't step on it up here because it just picks up speed too fast. And then I pick up so much speed and there's a turn already. It's like not a canyon car. Oh my god. Oh shit, my GoPro fell. So freaking fun, dude. It's scary at first. You gotta get the hang of it again because I haven't been up here in a while. But if you guys watch my videos and want to come up to the canyon, just be careful. I feel like I don't want to be like a bad influence, you know what I mean? Just know your like your limits, I guess I could say, because there's a lot of accidents up here, a lot of fatal accidents, like really bad accidents up here. So it is scary. It's not a joke, it's not a game, but you gotta know your limits. Don't push it too much. If you guys could tell, like, I know this car has a lot more in it. Like, I can freaking haul ass through these canyons, but I don't trust myself that much. I don't trust the tires. Just know your limits. You don't gotta go all crazy. I just don't want to be a bad influence, you know what I mean? A little G37 behind me. The baby GTR. It looks so nice up here, bro. This might actually be the first time I came up here with the lowering springs on the GTR. And honestly, it handles pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Woo. Oh my god. Alright, I might bust a U-turn because I just noticed I only have 35 miles to eat. I probably should have paid attention to that earlier, but it should be enough to get back down. I lost the G37. There he is. Alright, gonna have a little photo shoot real quick. Damn, this shit is really freaking dirty. Look at all the bugs. So many bugs. Right here, you can see all that dust. The brake dust. It was like brown. This thing needs a wash. Like I said, tomorrow though, it's gonna get fully detailed. But it looks bad right now. Anyways, I took a couple photos. Now we gotta hurry up before we run out of gas. 33 miles to E. We made it. Use only in flex fuel vehicles. That flex fuel GTR. Anyways guys, that's probably gonna end the vlog right there. Probably a short video, but I wanted to film something for you guys today. I'm just trying to make as much content as I possibly could. I think tomorrow there's a huge car cruise going on that I think I'm gonna make it to. That'll be a whole nother vlog on its own. Probably a lot of supercars. Maybe get to race some supercars. But yeah, that's probably it for today's video. If you guys want to cop any merch, I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description. We're almost sold out of everything. By the way, thank you guys for that. It honestly means a lot to me when you guys pick up a piece of merch. And then when I get to see you guys wearing the merch in person, it's freaking awesome. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.